こんにちは。Mochi Mind の Shoko です。Hi there. I'm Shoko from Mochi Mind. I've been teaching Japanese to children and adults for over 10 years. From experience, I believe that fun and inclusive learning is the best way to grow confidence and curiosity. At Mochi Mind, we offer two creative online programs on Zoom. One is Hiragana Mini Club for children aged 6 to 11, a playful introduction to the Japanese alphabet. The other is a t-shirt design workshop for adults, a relaxed space to write your name in Japanese and turn it into a custom design. No prior knowledge needed, just bring your own curiosity. I look forward to meeting you soon in one of our sessions. お会いできるのを楽しみにしています。Thank you. ありがとうございます。